This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jillian Didier. 4-bedroom/2-bath pool home in Northwest Gainesville. Conveniently located 4-bedroom/2-bath pool home located in the Oakcrest neighborhood. This well-maintained home boasts over 1,800 square feet and features a split floor plan. Step inside to find vinyl plank flooring through the main living areas, vaulted ceilings, and a gas fireplace. The main living area includes a flex space, ideal for a formal dining area or additional sitting area. The eat-in kitchen features a breakfast bar, pantry, and ample storage. The oversized primary suite includes a nook and an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in closet, vanity with dual sinks, soaker tub, and walk-in shower. The living area has been updated with sliding glass doors across that lead out to a paver lanai and screened-in pool with spa. The fully fenced backyard is perfect for entertaining and has a storage shed with power. The home backs up to a walking trail that is walkable to Hidden Oak Elementary and FT. Clarke Middle School. Additional highlights include 3 guest rooms, a full guest bath, a 2-car garage, and a laundry room with washer, dryer, and utility sink. The home is currently on service contracts for pest control, termite protection, and lawn fertilization. Owner will cover monthly hedge trimming and pool maintenance. Schedule a showing today. Pets considered with owner approval. Pet fees will apply. Note: proof of renter's insurance required. $60 application fee per person over the age of 18. $60 guarantor fee, if applicable. $250 leasing fee, due at time of lease signing. $300 pet fee, per year, non-refundable. For more information, review the details below.